I know I haven't done much in the way of sort of how to do it on this project so far, because I've been kind of learning as I go on, and I've been showing what I've done, but on the wiring side of things I'm a bit more au fait. I'm actually sort of an engineer, so I know how this should be. Now this is how it shouldn't be. This has come off the boat. If you can see that, the wire has been stripped back and pushed into a crimp, but half of the cable's not gone into the crimp. All the stray wires have been like bunched back like a bit of knitting there. That's been crimped on, and that almost pulled out the crimp. But the trouble is, you know, this is passing a lot of current. It's going to get very hot there, so that's the kind of thing I thought, well, let's get rid of all of this stuff and do it again. I'll just move that to one side. All the stuff I've used on the boat so far has been tri-rated switchgear cable of an appropriate cross-section area. This happens to be 6mm squared. I know that I've gone from green to brown and blue to brown, but anyway, those just to extend the existing cables, which are a bit on the short side, but you know, you can see what they're supposed to be. I didn't have any green, I didn't have any brown, but I've got plenty of the other colours. I've done a new loom for most of the rest of the boat, and I've done it according to this interconnection. I'll just get this off. Interconnection diagram that I've done for the boat, doing my research on how it should be, looking at engine diagrams, looking at the hydraulic system diagram from various Mercury workshop manuals and other stuff that I've found that people have done on the internet. It's very helpful, and it really does help crystallise your plan to get it down properly on a proper diagram. I've done this in AutoCAD. It's a standard interconnection diagram sort of way. So just here we've got trim pump, up solenoid, down solenoid, and so on, and that's a bit I'm working on at the minute. So I've worked out how I'm going to do it from that, and you know, once I've got it in the plan, I'm doing it from there. Also helps to use reasonable quality crimp terminals, which I've bought, and decent quality crimp tool. This is a proper one, not one of those ones that just squashes it. They only cost about 30 odd quid, and it'll last you a lifetime. That's a proper automatic stripper for not taking the copper off, just the sleeve in and a pair of reasonable quality pliers. That's all you need. Apart from that, I'm not sure what much I can add. I shall probably do another one. If there's anything else I think of, I'll do another one, but anyway, for the time being, I'd better stop talking to you and get on with this.